Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a capresso c1000 espresso machine. Now this machine was needed a premium tune-up and a new brew group as well. So we basically just pretty much replace the whole unit, give it a good clean the whole machine as well, and inside, and did a cleaning cycle as well as this decalcify cycle, and that's pretty much it. The machine now is working perfectly fine. So let's do one shot of espresso to test it out. Something very particular with this machine is that the 4 green lights blinking. That actually happens pretty much every time you're gonna froth milk. You're gonna have these 4 lights blinking, and that will indicate that the system needs to fill again, to refill again, and to pretty much cool down whenever you use the steamer. I will demonstrate in a couple of seconds. As you can see, good shot, working good. And now let's do hot water, which you have to press this one in order to make hot water. And now the steam, it's gonna take a while, but I'm gonna definitely show you how to pretty much remove these 4 lights. Okay, we're starting to have some steam. Like I said, this one takes a while, but the steamer pressure coming from this is just amazing. It's really great for the machine. The decalcifying actually helped a lot to pretty much make it more hotter and more effective. And as you can see right now, we got some steam going on. You can see it there like that. And just like I said, you're gonna have 4 blinking lights over here, which basically you gotta reset it, which means you gotta turn this dial with hot water on it, let it run for like 30 seconds approximately, or until pretty much it stops. And make sure you have a container or something, otherwise it's just gonna spill and everything. For more information that you can see the manual, it will explain you way better. But as you saw now, the error is gone, the 4 LEDs are completely gone, and you can start using the machine again. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.